to The Kitchen Table, a show dedicated to helping you escape diet culture, gain trust with food, honor your body, and live a brighter life. Hello and welcome to the first episode of The Kitchen Table. I am so glad you're here. I'm your host, Alicia Brown, an anti-diet registered dietitian nutritionist. And before we unpack all of what you can expect to hear about on the show, it's probably fitting for me to introduce myself so we can get to know each other a little bit more. So yes, I'm Alicia. I'm an anti-diet registered dietitian. But beyond that, I'm also a wife to my husband, Tyler. I'm also a new mom to our daughter, Amelia, who I can't believe is almost 4 months old already. And I'm also a dog mom to my dog, Opa, who's a very lovable and furry black chow chow who's also incredibly stubborn, but we love him. And right now, fun fact, I'm actually not recording this show from my own kitchen table in my own house. I'm recording this show from my parents' kitchen table in their house. Yes, and the reason for that is that the chow, Amelia and Tyler and I were living with my parents right now. You can imagine how fun that is. And it's because we're actually building a house and it's just not quite done yet. But in the coming weeks, hopefully you'll see us transition from this kitchen table to my own kitchen table in my new house in the coming weeks. So I'm so excited for that. Other things you need to know about me are that I love coffee, but it must have heavy cream. Take this suggestion, take this tip first ever at the kitchen table to transition your coffee from having half and half in it to heavy cream. You'll thank me later. It's the best transition you'll ever make. It's a super upgrade to your coffee. Go heavy cream instead of half and half. Also, I just love the morning and breakfast foods. I also love rainy days and new socks, and I wear a jean shirt almost every day without fail, especially after having Amelia. It's the versatile wardrobe staple I never knew I needed. I just go with the jean shirt as a default now. But anyway, the reason why I felt so called and inspired to start up this show and to share my voice with you here is because I really see so many people every day in my real life experience and also on social media struggling with the dieting cycle. And the dieting cycle is characterized just by trying a diet on over and over and over again, hoping for a different result, which is the definition of insanity, but we've all done it. We're trying to find what the answer is to our health. The answer is to weight loss. We're trying to find what that right diet is or the perfect way to eat is so that we can achieve the perfect body. And this is all an illusion that diet culture as a whole, as our society, prides itself on. And I'm seeing it take such a toll on our lives, not just on our health physically, but also mentally and emotionally. And by extension, it's taking a toll on our relationships and it's taking a toll on our work life. And that whole dieting cycle, the defeat that we've experienced over and over by trying on so many diets, is just leaving us with a really damaged relationship with food in our bodies. And after working with clients and being in the diet paradigm myself for years, I've found a way out. I've found another way to eat and I've found another way to live. And that's through intuitive eating and embodiment practices. So as a whole, this show is to help you come out of that dieting cycle, to escape diet culture and reunite with your body and build trust with your body so you would never need to follow another diet again through a concept called intuitive eating and also engaging in embodiment practices where you are the sole authority to determine what, when, and how much to eat, and you already know how to meet your needs with food, with movement, and in life to live a brighter life so that food can actually enhance your life, enhance your relationships, empower you in your health journey, and also help you create more money and live the job and have the career that you want, all through just really talking through our very vulnerable, very personal food and body stuff that we all have. And so that's what this show is going to shed some light on, is how to actually make that jump from the dieting paradigm into the intuitive eating paradigm. It's going to shed light on how you can build trust with food, how you can honor your body, and how you can reject diet culture and reject the dieting paradigm, how you can unlearn all of the conditioning and all of the dieting rules so you can reconnect with your body and with yourself. I get so fired up talking about this. But this is like my passion. This is what I love to do. And you won't just be hearing from me. You'll also be hearing from other guests on the show, sharing their insights, their experiences as they transitioned from the dieting paradigm into the intuitive eating paradigm. And of course, I would love your input in on the show as well. This is the first episode, and I would just love to hear from you about what you want to hear in regards to intuitive eating or dieting. So send me your questions. You can DM me at aliciabrown.rdn on Instagram. That's aliciabrown.rdn on Instagram. DM me there any questions that you have about dieting or intuitive eating as we explore the current landscape of health and wellness information that intersects both paradigms. And I hope that after every episode in this show, as you join me at the kitchen table, you feel empowered in your food choices, you feel like you can honor your body more, and you feel like you can inch toward living a brighter life by overcoming your food and body stuff, reconnecting with yourself, and reclaiming your own inner intuitive eater. In the next episode, you'll learn more about my own journey bridging from the dieting paradigm into the intuitive eating paradigm. You'll learn about how I found myself in this anti-diet role as a dietitian and why I chose that and why this is just like my passion and my life purpose here with you. I'll explain all of that more on the next episode. And until then, I look forward to hearing your questions at aliciabrown.rdn on Instagram. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the next episode.